Whoa, bro. Bro, this shit is crazy, bro. I'm tripping right now, bro. What the fuck is going on? Hey guys, how you doing? We're back with another video, and this is one that I never really thought I'd be making, nor did I think was ever gonna happen. Influencers and marketing, they go hand in hand. You know, every influencer, every celebrity, they do like a business. They have some way of making extra money outside of their main income. It's just how it works. If you think about it, every celebrity, every influencer is just a salesperson. They sell you on doing something so that they can make money. KSI has Prime, Mr. Beast has Feastables. It's just, they go hand in hand. Everybody does something. And Ian Connor, you guys know Ian Connor, you know, stylist for Kanye, Playboy Cardi, the maker of the Revenge X Storms. You know, he's been in pop culture for a minute now. He decided, you know, fuck Mr. Beast, fuck Willy Wonka. He's making his own chocolate bar, and I got him right here. This is a Sicko chocolate bar, and you might be thinking, why am I making a video about a Sicko chocolate bar? It's not, like, who gives a fuck? It's a special chocolate bar, all right? It's very special. You know, you can kind of tell by the graphic, there's Ian Connor right there. They're holding a certain item in here that might be infused inside of this chocolate. So I'm adventurous, you know, I'm willing to try it out, and I kind of wanted to do something fun. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see if it's worth the hype. We're gonna see if Ian Connor has an inspiring journey in like the chocolate world. Maybe it's his next career path, who knows? Packaging is pretty cool. For a chocolate bar, you know, the packaging is pretty cool. They're pretty expensive, so that makes sense. On the back, we have some serving suggestions. It said microdose 1 to 3 pieces, therapeutic 4 to 9 pieces, and God mode at 10 to 15 pieces. Walls might melt. Yeah, we're probably not doing that. I got 2 flavors here. We have vanilla frappuccino and cookies and cream. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna try the cookies and cream. I don't know if this is what cookies and cream kind of looks like. This is like green. I think there's like some flakes on the back of it. Three pieces of Sicko shrooms right here. All right. Hopefully I'm all right. They don't taste like cookies and cream at all. Done, completed. Ugh, when I start bugging out, it's because of you, Ian Connor. But now I figured to add up a little spice factor, I asked my viewers to send me some videos on Discord. I'm waiting for this to kind of get going. I think it takes about an hour, and then we're gonna go ahead and react to some videos. So let's just see what happens. All right, we're back. It's been a couple hours. Honestly, I don't know how to explain how it feels. I don't think I feel any different. If I'm being honest, I think it just feels the exact same. But either way, we're gonna see. Maybe something happened. I don't know.
Put your mask on. I get that cup.
Yo,
put your mask on.
Fuck, bro, why is he twerking? Bro. Oh my god, bro. I guess this counts. I don't know.
I get that.
I don't get like the premise behind this. How is this the life of a sneakerhead? It's just him twerking and then he's in credit card debt? Bro, this whole thing, maybe I'm tweaking, bro. Maybe these Sicko shrooms fuck me up, but I swear this whole fucking video is making me tweak the fuck out.
Do not order from StockX. For $242, this is what they decided to send me. First of all, they're not even real. These came from China. Do not order.
Bro, I'm tweaking again. What the fuck was that? Was that a Jordan 3 tongue on a Jordan 4? Huh? Yo, I gotta go to the comments. What the fuck? Bro, why is nobody saying anything about the tongue? They're real. They're so cute. I would die for those. Is the internet this easy to deceive? Can I just say anything and people will just fucking believe it? Oh my god. I don't know. It wasn't really cringe. It just made me not have much hope for humanity and people thinking somehow that shit was real.
Ain't no way.
What is that little pink thing? Look at that. What is that? Bro, what is this? What is this little pink thing, bro? Do you have like sausage links hanging out of his fucking piss? What is that? This dude's like a gremlin, bro. He just had like, what is this? A rolling, bro, who goes to rolling rings? Roller rings, what are those called? This kid is a fucking demon, bro. He just shows up to these places. He's just creasing people's shoes. I mean, there's no way these are random people's shoes. These are probably just him and his boys or something. He only did 2 pairs. I'm still, the little, I don't know what that is, bro. That thing is fucking me up.
I'm a sneakerhead. Of course I have all my sneakers
This
on IKEA.
fucking dude, bro. This guy is always talking shit about people who buy reps. I don't get it. He'll always make a video and be like, yo, don't buy reps. They're not worth anything. Who gives a shit? Buy whatever you want to buy, bro. This dude's like pocket watching to the fucking max.
I'm a sneakerhead. Of course I'm gonna watch a bunch of sneaker YouTube videos before I actually purchase that pair. I'm a sneakerhead. Of course I'm gonna use a lint roller to get the dust off my suede dunks.
No, you're just autistic, dude. Who the fuck lint rolls their shoe after they wear them? I'm a sneakerhead. Of course I'm a virgin. I'm a sneakerhead, of course I look like this. I'm a sneakerhead, of course I don't hit the gym, bro. People are people are fucking ruthless.
You already know we're gonna be pulling out a sneaker con today. Take a guess. 3, 2, 1. Yo, the most worn Nike mag in history. These are the most actively worn pairs. I think so. I would definitely say these are the most actively worn mags.
I said, how many sneaker cons do you think you've worn them to?
Maybe I think I've worn them to every sneaker con since 2016.
Okay, I was gonna say it's not really that cringe. Like I was gonna say it's like who gives a shit, he's wearing his shoes. I think people want it to be cringe because it's blazendary, but if you think about it, it's just wearing his shoes. Like what's really cringe about that? I mean, it is a Nike mag, so it's like, yeah, I guess it's kind of cringe to wear that. When you say you've worn them to every single sneaker con since 2016, that's more cringe than saying you wore something to every sneaker con. By saying you went to every sneaker con is insane. But he's getting paid to go, so can I really say shit? Yes, I'm making videos about it. All right, now we're not doing Gigamis, bro. This fucking horse has been dragged through the mud. I get it, bro. You can just tell the Supreme headband, the Supreme box logo. All right, so I've met this dude before, this House of Bricks guy. I met him at like a sneaker convention. I think it was God Soul like 2 years ago. It's whenever I wore the Nike mags to a sneaker convention. All right,
Live on camera.
Bro,
Right?
what? How are you gonna disrespect my shoe
Okay.
like that, bro? Come on now.
Listen,
Those are the worst reps ever.
from this angle, I was gonna say, how can you really tell? You know, he's just wearing a pair of shoes, and then you see the outfit, and yeah, I mean, bro, those jean shorts are devious, bro. What? Nah, you did him fucking wrong too with the posture and everything. Nah, you did him wrong.
Where you taste it. This one is from my independent mothers working day shift.
What is this, bro? Not every day to be queen. Their own comfort is the most important. Factory outlets.
I got no love for dead.
What am I? As quick as it came, it was gone. What? I don't understand what the fuck I just watched. Yeah, I don't know who the fuck sent me this. Okay, dude, come on now. All right, bro. Like, we've all seen this video. It's popped up. You've probably seen it 500 times. He just pulls out a fucking camera and he's like, I just got you in 4K trying to buy reps.
These are the top 3 replica sellers that I use for my sneakers. Coming in at number 3, this is actually my personal favorite seller. They get me pretty much all my sneakers. I just caught you in 4K trying to buy fake sneakers. You gotta do better. You know we don't wear replicas around here. I'm not mad at you. I'm just disappointed.
The little look down right here. I haven't met Gigamis before, but I've heard he's dope.
I'm weaker. I'm stupider. I'm an idiot. I'm a fucking idiot.
Is it just like NPCs warming up to just fucking say anything and say the same copy and paste bullshit about reps every single day? I'm smarter at save money. It's just a shoe. You don't save money when you spend money on something with 0 value. Bro, it's just a shoe. If it looks the same and you wear it, it doesn't matter. To you, it's just a shoe, but to me, it's much more. Oh my God, bro. What do you mean it's much more? It's a shoe, bro. Yep. You're right. It's better to spend $500 to $1,000 on a pair of shoes that'll sit on your shelf. That's fair. Yeah. If you listen to him, that's what he wants you to do. He wants you to go spend $1,000 for your shoe to sit right there and never move, never be worn. Come on, bro. No, you can't do that. No, you cannot do that. Listen, bro. They're cooking up for you. You can't be disrespecting them. Bro, that's not funny. It's not funny. Stop, bro. She made the cut. All right, man. Overtime posted it, so you know it's gonna be fucking something stupid.
Wow.
What is it? It's just,
You for real just cut it off the shoe.
it's plastic.
Wow.
It was mid, bro. I don't even know what to say. That's just a mid, bro. I'm not doing an overtime kicks video. 2 likes. All right, someone found this in the fucking archive. Dude, every effect in the book, bro. Dude, literally any effect. Drag and drop everything. Get the whole fucking deck of cards on this shit. So it's so funny, bro. Just any effect, bro. Throw it on. Let's just see if it works. Day in the life of a 13-year-old reseller.
This is a day in the life of a 13-year-old reseller.
Ah, you lucky son of a bitch. All right, you're lucky.
Just started the day off by watching some
I don't think he's
YouTube,
13 though. I think he's
but
just saying
today
that just to
I
get
didn't
around
feel
that
so
TOS
well,
because he
so
does not sound
decided
13,
to
bro.
take some pictures of my new shoes. Of course, it had to be the Lost and Found. These are my favourites. Got some new LEDs for the room. Let me know what
The
you guys
prime
think.
under the bed kills
But
me,
I'm
bro.
gonna take some pictures now. I think some of these pictures turned out fine.
So wait, this is the backdrop. Oh my! I didn't get that. It's under his bed. I mean, to be honest, I was trying to find anything to hate on, but bro, he's 13. Oh no, this one too, bro. Like, I'm not. No, we're not. We're dude.
Oh, they're UAs, bro. They're not fake. They're literally made in the same factory, bro. They're just not authorized by Nike. Like the same workers. They're 1-to-1, bro. Literally the same material. Bro, come on. Why you got a black light, bro? Stop it.
Yeah. You know what, Chance? I think we all make mistakes out there, Chance, and I think you know that you got what was coming to you for that fucking video. Let's just put it that way.
Which sneakers will crease more? Nike versus Adidas. For level 3, we decided to run them over with a car. We ran over the Nike and Adidas. Afterwards, there was no change. They were just dirty. The Adidas weren't that bad.
Afterwards, there was no change. They were just dirty.
And makes the Nikes win with more creases. And which sneakers will crease more? Nike.
What was that transition? And
for those people who want a Van Cleef, will buy a Van Cleef because the weight of it, the textures of it, the look of it is just completely different to fakes. Like if you look at them side by side with each other, they're just completely different. Yeah, they may look similar. When you look closer, it's just a completely different product.
How are you gonna use like a shitty rep to compare this, bro? Why don't you use like an actual good rep? I know that he's probably pulled this off the internet or some shit, but like there's levels to it, bro. It's an iceberg. There, you know, there's this stuff at the surface. If you look up Van Cleef rep, you're gonna see it's gonna pop up like, oh, 5 cents for this one. That must be the best rep on the market. It's like, no, if you go deep and deep and deep and you dig, why did I say deep that many times, bro? What the fuck? If you really search for it, you'll find some really good quality stuff and you'll see stuff that is practically 1-to-1. It's not gonna look different. It's gonna be the exact same in every single way. Best drippy outfit to wear, drip emoji, cheap edition part 1. Bro, he's wearing the how did you know I was from the UK outfit. You got the black hats with the Nike tag, bro. Take the purge mask off. Come on. I know I'm not the first one to say that, but take it off. You have no ops, bro. There's no ops out here looking for you.
Hey, big it out west, slang it out west. Gold metallic knife, I can shake it out.
Yep, UK drill. Yeah, how'd you know I was from the fucking UK? All right, well, my headset died, so the only one that really got me was the one where the dude was twerking. Wumbo, pull that one up again. That one killed me. The rest of them, you guys did a bad job. There wasn't a lot of cringe videos. You need to step it up. Send me some better shit to react to. All right, you guys gotta make my job easy. But seriously though, money goes to the kid that sent the one of the dude twerking. Shout out to you. You gotta DM me. I owe you some money. I don't know how you found this TikTok, bro. I'm still dying. I don't know how you found it, but this is insane, bro. Dead Boy Flame, yo, hit me up. We need to collab a fucking sap. Overall, I didn't feel him. Let me know. Did I look off? It kind of just tasted bad, but you know, Ian Connor doing chocolate, the new Willy Wonka, the new Mr. Beast. All right, I'll see you guys. Peace.
I'm doing better than you. I pull up that bitch, spend the money, she cute. My bitch banging blood, she more gangster than you. Give him 1K when my kid lose a tooth. Give me my payment, it's printed in blue.